This is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be, in view of the new piece that we have in mind, I had the idea to propose to you to come up with a first sort of choreographic study that could lead to, let's call it a strange dance. In order to do that, I'm going to propose to you to go through a traveling sort of period of time during which we're going to be exploring different tools which have been developed within the European project WhoLoDancE.
Okay.
This project has managed to produce all kinds of different tools that you will be discovering as we go step by step. So what is that strange dance about? It will be, ideally, a dance which will be, in this case, because of the context I want to imagine in it, would be combining different styles of dance. The overall idea will be to sort of combine different elements so that we have the upper body enacting certain types of things versus the lower part of the body enacting other things. So the leg movement will be more for the traditional Greek. The upper body will integrate both ballet and flamenco, and all of that within this sort of big cooking thing that we call contemporary, in which will be to combine elements taken from directionality, which involves the aiming with different parts of the body, limbs in different many directions, and a variety of qualities inside. So we could go somewhere between contrasting heaviness with some level of slowness, together with more staccato, more sudden, and more disruptive movement. All of that combined is what we're aiming at. So this is the first step we're going to go through by looking inside of the movement library, which has been done throughout the project, in which all of the recorded data of the 4 different genres of dance have been organized, set in a way that you can look into it as if it was a library. So as you can see, you have ballet, contemporary, Greek folk, and flamenco. I'm going to show you, this is just to give you an indication of what I've chosen inside of the many takes. So this is downloadable directly from internet, so it's all right there. You have a system that allows you to view the dance in many different positions. You can move the space where you are in, and you have a video that monitors the movement. So at any given point, you look into the timetable where you're at, and through a process of also annotation, you can always, as you look at the video, as recorded data, you can give evaluation on the movement qualities, on the movement principles, on the actions and others. Let me show you 4 short samples which are going to be our next inspiration. First, the Greek Pentosali couple.
Okay, it's going to be challenging for the rhythm. And here I just take the legs.
Just the legs.
Okay.
That's right. So we just focus on the rhythmic pattern.
Here in the ballet dance, what do you want?
We're going to be using the focus on the arms.
Okay.
Mainly.
Okay.
Just do the arms and concentrate on the arms only. So now we're going to be able to do what we have done with the sketching tool, but instead of being with a computer, we're going to be able to do it with mobile telephones. So you experiment a little sketched out sequence of dance with the features that we saw before on energy, smoothness, lightness, and symmetry, and then we will see the results as you finish. Now come, we're going to see the results. and choose together the most similar sequence according to these features that we can have instantaneously. And that will be the sequence that we will then later on use for the following steps. Again, a particular element has been coming in through the recording is that it adds some noise, and artistically I like it. With the same similarity search, if we go for it, as before, it plays it back with the 4 features. Right? Mm-hmm. So for this one we will go for the similar take. The first match. We can also look at the second one.
Yes, you recognize really well the staccato and different parts of body.
That's right.
Okay.
According to the same distribution in the features. Yeah. In this case, we will go for the second match. So through the segmentation tool, which is another tool developed in WhoLoDancE, we are able to see, whenever it's needed, in very fine details, little micro moments when something is, for example, taking place at a very fast speed.
Mm-hmm. So here my avatar is changing color each time there is
the occurrence of a clearly change taking place.
Okay, so you can see it more clearly. Okay.
That's right. So Maya, what you can do now is put on the lenses for the VR low-end platform, which allows to actually see the same sequence that we have seen earlier.
Yes. Okay, here I can see really well the details.
Excellent. In this step, we're going to be using the so-called blending engine, which via the computer allows to see, before enacting it in the dancing, the mixing, the blending of different dance genres.
Okay. So here I try to have just the Greek part for the lower part of the body.
That's right.
Okay, here we have the avatar. The flamenco parts just for the upper body. And now with this tool I mix Greek dance for the legs and flamenco dance for the arms. And here we are, our strange dance.
the beginning actually of the strange dance.
Well, let's go try.
Physically. Let's try now the mixing of the contemporary for the legs and the hands and arms flamenco influence. Yes, that's good. That's a good try. Third strange dance. We're going to mix now the legs of the Greek dance, or Greek dance, together with upper torso, taken from contemporary dance quality. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Actually, it opens the possibility to add different types of qualities for the upper torso It can be on the contrast of, let's say, more staccato, but it also can take sort of moving into a fluidity. Let's take one of the blended dance sequences, and we're going to look at various different avatars that you can choose from.
Okay. Okay, so here is breakdance for the legs and contemporary for the top, right?
That's right. Itself somehow influences you in terms of qualities, intentions, and so on. Discover now your own avatar. This is a new space. It's an immersive space. This offers you the possibility to experience different types of movements and another mix of qualities. Which will be integrating in the final dance. Now that we have gone through all these different tools from WhoLoDancE, we've traveled through the annotation, the movement library, movement segmentation, we've sketched sequences, we've gone through the blending engine, we've taken the blending engine into the choosing of different avatars, your double. We have experienced you moving inside of the immersive space where you discover the avatar. Let's try now the final dance, the outcome dance that mixes the legs from the Greek, the arms from the flamenco and from ballet, together with the indications taken from the contemporary dance.
Okay, we'll make kind of creation.
A creation.
Okay, let's go. I think that in addition to these tools which can help teachers or choreographers, one can imagine that similar tools can be expanded for, I don't know, or yoga, well-being, or maybe martial arts, or social dances and further movements-based activities, no?
Absolutely. You're really right.
Yeah.
Yeah.